April Fool's Day, written by Sharon Bowles. Focus question: how is April Fool's Day best celebrated? Connections: write a letter to a friend describing an April Fool's. Follow the rules described in the social studies. Research another country that celebrates April Fool's Day. Write a paragraph explaining how that country celebrates the holiday. Pranking fun. It's early spring. Your chili ends up buried under a pile of salt. the victim of an April Fool's joke. April Fool's Day is on or near April 1. It's one day of the year to play jokes or pranks on people. A common joke may be replacing the sugar with salt. When people see that as a joke, yell April Fools. Why April 1st? No one knows why April Fool's Day is on April 1. It may once have marked the coming of spring. People were often fooled by the changing weather at this time of the year. Another idea is that April Fool's Day began when we first started using the calendar we use today. The start of the new year moved from the beginning of April to January 1. People who still celebrated New Year's Day on April 1 were called April Fools. Many celebrations were held in the past near April 1. The ancient Romans celebrate the longest days of spring. They dressed in costumes and played jokes. In Europe, in the 12th century, people celebrated the Feast of Fools. A fake ruler led followers in a parade. People celebrate in this way until the 16th century around the world. Today, people celebrate April Fool's Day differently around the world. Scottish scramble. Tips to French foolishness. In France, April 1 is called April fish. The fish is a person who is easily fooled. People tie paper fish to each other's backs. American tricksters. In the United States, the fun lasts all day. Tell a friend that class is cancelled or punch holes in his or her water bottle. Other jokes may be put oil on a doorknob and food color in milk. You may find plastic bags and food on your bed. Jordanian jokesters. On April 1, 2010, a newspaper in Jordan had an interesting front-page story. It reported that 3 spaceships landed in the desert nearby. Some people in town were not used to April Fool's pranks and got scared. The newspaper apologized for the story. Famous foolery. Some April Fool's jokes are famous. Spaghetti trees. In 1957, a British TV show described it as spaghetti tree. When the show was over, many people called the station wanting one. Corporate shouts. companies in the media fool people too. On April 1, 1996, Taco Bell said that it had bought the American Liberty Bell. The company said it would now be called the Taco Liberty Story. Bell. Many people believed the story. The companies had to say it was a joke. In 1998, Burger King showed an ad for a left-handed burger. They said it made left-handed eating easier. Online pranks. Internet April Fool's jokes spread fast. One of Google's famous jokes was a drink it said made people smarter. In 2012, a radio station said that Twitter was changed to 133 characters per tweet. It was a joke. In 2013, Twitter said it would ask people who use vowels in their tweets to pay more. This too was a joke. Even Pokemon Go began as an internet joke in 2014. Google Maps said it had a tool that would find the best Pokemon master in the world. Conclusion. Follow certain rules during April Fool's Day. Don't be mean if you're going to make a joke. Make sure you can take a joke in return. Many places around the world enjoy April Fool's Day. Keep it safe and fun.